How to delete WhatsApp message for everyone after a long time. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can delete WhatsApp message for everyone even after a long time has passed. To begin, open WhatsApp app from your mobile and navigate to the chat where the message you want to delete. Long press the message that you want to delete, and then you'll see delete option on the top bar. Tap on delete, and here you'll see two options, to delete for me and delete for everyone. Select the option to delete for everyone, and you can see a notification that says you deleted this message. The other person will also be able to see that you have deleted. However, if you're unable to delete the message for everyone, you can still delete it for yourself by selecting delete for me option. This will remove the message from your device, but it will still be visible to the other person. And that's it guys. Thank you all for watching it till the end, and stay tuned till our next upload.